Hi friends, yesterday you guys made a name puzzle and you practiced spelling your name using your name puzzle. Today we're just going to look a little more at our names, and you can do this by using your name puzzle again or looking at the slides and writing your name on paper. So what I did is I wrote my name at the top of the paper, and my name is Allie. And what I noticed about my name is that my name starts with the letter A. The first letter in my name is the letter A. And the last letter in my name is the letter E. And I'm going to look at my name and some of my friends' names. So I picked 3 of our friends' names from my class to look at today. And I'm going to see if there's anything that's the same about my name and my friends' names. So my name is Allie, and Allie starts with an A. And I noticed that some of my other friends' names have an A in them. Zayden's name has an A right here, the second letter. And Andreas has an A as the first letter in his name, just like mine. Now I'm going to look at the last letter of my name, which is an E, and I'm going to see, do any of my friends' names have the last letter E in their name? Riley has an E at the end of his name, just like mine. So today I want you just to think about your name and some of your friends' names, which I'm going to put on the slides below. And I want you to see what's the first letter of your name and the last letter, and I'll make those in different colors for you. So first letter and last letter. So you're going to be identifying what's the first letter of your name and the last letter, and you're going to see if your friends have any of the same letters as you. Zayden has an A just like the beginning of my name. Riley's name ends in an E just like my name ends in an E. And Andreas starts with an A, just like my name starts with an A. So today we're just going to be making observations about the letters in our name and see if our friends have any of the same letters.